The Makabayan Coalition of Party-list groups urged the Supreme Court to reverse its decision which allowed the parties by the COMELEC to run in the May elections. Anak Pawi's party list, Son Rafale Mariano, expressed concern many of the nominees of the 54 disqualified parties are millionaires. This report.
The Makabayan Coalition in the House will push their appeal before the Supreme Court to reconsider its ruling, which will allow 54 party list groups disqualified by the COMELEC to run in the May elections. They also urge the COMELEC to do the same, since those disqualified failed to establish that they represent marginalized groups. Anak Pawi's party, Solon Rafael Mariano, said party list groups is now a millionaires club since many of the nominees belong to the wealthy. Mariano said of the 58 incumbent party list congressmen, 50 are millionaires based on their statement of assets and liabilities.
Kaya anti-court tong ruling na ito ng Supreme Court. Kaya nga, malaking hamon sa COMELEC dahil party interest naman, abay magsampa ng motion for reconsideration. Sabihin niya na tama yung aming naging pinagbatayan kung yun man ang ipupulso niya. Yun ang Supreme Court, may panahon pa para i-reverse, i-reconsider yung kanyang recent ruling.
ACT Party List Congressman Antonio Tino. The party list is another opportunity for political dynasties to gain more power and influence in their respective areas. He said the Supreme Court ruling violates two provisions of the Constitution. Party list groups should be marginalized and the ban on political dynasties.
Na-discover na ng mga traditional politicians kung paano gamitin din ang party list system, no? Para yung mga hindi nanalo sa district, pupusin na ng party list. Usually, it's a regional party list. Tapos, sila-sila, ang mga pamilya nila ang representative, tapos nakakapanalo sila.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.